to part 2 of slime time. So these were our part 1 slimes. Mine kind of turned out like we thought it wouldn't.
But he put like a cup of baking soda in it, so it's really sandy.
And it's sandy, and it's more like putty, but it's kind of slimy. But I like it. So
Mine turned out pretty good too. It's really stretchy.
She didn't clean out her container. I cleaned out mine. This time I'm gonna use this.
And we'll use this Tide and obviously glue.
Yeah, cause and maybe if we need activator.
So here we go. So I'm gonna add not a lot.
I'm gonna start with this.
Like a little dash. Don't do a lot of that. Okay, that's enough. Now we need our glue, obviously.
So I'm gonna use this in my hair. $3 sign.
This is all dollar store sign challenge.
I think you said that.
I did.
Okay, so now I'm gonna do
stuff.
with. Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
Let's
We got some.
clean up on aisle 1.
Dude, here we go. So I'm just gonna mix this all together.
And it's a craft room table.
So we used our shaving gel, our shampoo, and our glue. Mine's kind of looking kind of pinky. It's really
We
running.
should
right
clean
now.
out these containers after.
And we're not sure if this recipe is gonna work because we're making it up. So
Yeah, so it might.
okay, let's
Is
add
it
some
working?
Tide. And we can always add more glue. I think I'm gonna. Which one did I use already? I don't know which one I used. We need more glue. The more glue, the better. So, Ryan,
What?
use like a bunch of glue.
Well, good thing this glue is
Oh, I don't like this color. It's turning pink.
Ooh, fart.
Okay. So you can kind of see mine.
And guys,
Like this? Now we're going to add just a little bit of Tide.
This was the only thing we didn't get from the dollar store. We got it on sale, BOGO deal for $1.
BOGO deal for $1.
BOGO deal.
The less Tide you use, the better. So I'm
Oh,
starting
that's
with a little
fine.
teeny piece. As I can already
A
see it.
piece? Or do you mean to say a drop? Oh, look. It's kind of coming together.
Tide is a great way to use household objects.
Okay. Wait, do you want to do it for me?
No, we don't need baking soda for this one.
Why?
Because CNN solution only uses baking soda. Okay, we're just going
A
to
little
use
bit
that for a
more
while.
glue.
The
And
only bad
guys,
thing about Tide is it's glue.
And guys,
so
if you want to do this at home, make sure you are doing it where your mom or parents or dad doesn't really care if you make a mess because it could get messy. Like, see our table, it kind of gets a little bit messy, but it's a craft room table, so it can get messy. But yeah, make sure that and ask adult for material like stuff like don't go take your mom's Tide or don't from her washing machine because that's what you're gonna wash your clothes with. You don't want to lose all that stuff. And don't take your dad.
kind of coming together, but here's how you wash your hands.
In
Making
slime.
In slime.
Yeah.
It just peels off your hands. just
Wash
like
your
this.
hands in slime.
See? Like,
Oh, it's done.
so now we use this some
Fine.
Tide. I'm just experimenting here. This is kind of like my idea.
I
so
don't
I'm
want
just
to
gonna
touch it because I'm really nervous. That
add
is,
some more standard solution to it. And then this
Tide
is,
is always so expensive.
oh my gosh, Ryan.
I'm gonna call mine the washing machine.
Nice.
I don't know if that's gonna turn out.
Ryan.
Baking soda.
So the Tide, I mean, it wasn't really working, so I'm adding some standard solution to it, and it's already coming together. The good thing about making Tide slime is it smells amazing.
Yeah, so I'm crushing by the washing machine.
The washing machine. Mine is gonna be the washing machine too.
Washing machine part 2. Yeah, video part 2. Touch. Oh, it doesn't even stick to anything. This sucks. Contact the
Okay, check this out, guys. Mine's really coming
Next time
together.
I go to the store, I need some more of this.
Okay,
Yeah,
it's
a
kind of
little
coming together. Let's see here.
I like the spray nozzle.
Okay. I think it's coming together. It's really, really like sticky.
What
So we
if I
add some
try-
more standard solution.
Did I ever even add this?
Did you?
I think I did. Oh yeah, because how did that happen?
So,
Touch. It rolls off your hands as you do
did
that.
you use some saline solution?
Yeah.
Cool. So check this out, guys. This is a like purplish color. I didn't dye this one.
Okay.
Purplish
So
pink.
we're not doing this because like that's colored. Like
I didn't dye this one. This one is really like a true slime. I can really feel it's like gluey and it's kind of shinier. What else should we add to this? So this is a great way to make your glue go farther by adding like shampoo and stuff. Because as you can see, I used it like all up and it really just mixed in with the slime. Should I make another little big
this
batch?
is not like look. It's
Time for 6th graders to intervene.
yeah, just like
For some reason he always like does something.
I don't do slime well. I'll just say that. I just want to like
Oh my gosh, what did you add to this? What did you add so much of? Tide?
Well, I didn't add too much Tide. I kind of added a lot of that.
Here, mix them together.
No. Ooh, wait, let me do it.
We're gonna mix. If you don't, I don't know if you have a bad slime with a good slime, it
Bam.
can actually turn out. Hopefully, we didn't just ruin both of our slimes.
You mean my slime?
His slimes. Okay.
No, I think we did. It won't mix.
You just have to play with it for a while. There's also slime fakes on the internet, but you're watching this happen. We're not like sitting in the freezer or something. And this is not borax. It is baking soda. So,
Who lets their stuff sit in the freezer?
well, people put slime in the freezer and it like magically happens. Like, oh, I'm gonna put Dawn in the freezer for 5 minutes
This is
and it
spaghetti.
works. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Spaghetti.
Here, I'm gonna take over. Oh my gosh. What is happening? Okay. Well.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Yeah.
Well, what if we added like something to put them together, like
Oh.
baking soda?
Glue.
Yeah, glue.
Add a bunch of glue, Ryan. Oh my gosh. If this was an ASMR,
Oh.
listen to it, guys. Ready?
Wait, listen, ready?
Listen. Oh, total ASMR.
Oh.
Okay.
Ooh.
Okay. So now mix it together and see what happens.
With my knife.
So I've got this, and
With
I
my
want to
knife.
add some more glue to this. I want to make it bigger.
Oh, what about shaving cream?
That we did a fluffy slime, and I don't feel like doing a shaving cream slime right now.
No, not working.
Okay. Sorry guys, we don't have to do that.
I'm having issues. I don't like slime.
Okay.
Like, what is that? Sit down.
Move your arm.
Yes, it's my blue spaghetti.
So this wasn't a fail, but it really turned out
I
bad.
know it is. It looks like a blue pumpkin. See how like the pumpkin? It looks like pumpkin.
Blue pumpkin guts.
How much it cost washing machine? Oh, broken washing machine.
The broken washing machine. Do you want to make another one with Tide?
I might have to. I might just do like another one because I don't like the Tide thing. Like, who wants to play with that?
So King Creator is going to take a break, get rid of his slime, sadly,
Where?
and the garbage.
All that money wasted.
Well, that's the only bad thing about slime. But here's what we'll do. We'll throw this away and we'll make a perfect new slime. We can put some Tide in it.
Well, I didn't ruin that much.
No.
Okay,
It's
well,
fine. It's fine. It's fine.
where should I put it?
In the garbage. So,
What garbage?
in this room.
Okay, I'm going on intermission. Bye.
So,
Okay, guys, we are back from my intermission.
I'm still working on my
So
slime here.
we threw that ugly piece of garbage in the garbage.
The broken washer spaghetti.
Yeah, and that pumpkin seed.
Pumpkin
So
seed.
we put that away. So now we clean this out. So I'm gonna make like the slime that I did first, that nice one.
Except without a cup of baking soda.
Yeah, but I'm gonna make it nice. I'm gonna make it nice, kind of like
Like that one.
yeah, that one. So
We've kind of figured out that Tide, it
Yes,
actually
it
is okay.
but if you put too much, you wreck your slime.
put too much, you're right.
So guys, kind of like if you're watching this, don't really like if you want to peek at her, you can. But this is
I'm done.
So, well, guys, we're gonna start with some
Fine,
Elmer's.
Daniel slime right here.
We're gonna start with some Elmer's glue. So
I'm gonna use this bottle up.
pour about that much in. And it's depending on how much slime you want. Like if you want like 20 million protein grams.
Protein grams?
Okay, I'm gonna wipe my hands off. Of that you can. So like if you just want a lot of slime, you
I'm
can.
gonna get this.
You can do that. So I started with about that much. Then you're gonna take the shaving cream. You're gonna spray.
The slime's gonna be yellow.
This is going to be called poofy because I'm making it really poofy. So I'm going to start with a 10. I'll start with your. So if you guys want to copy my slime, you can. So one dot of blue, kind of heavy, and then you're going to take about the same amount of green food dye. Chill out, psycho spaz.
It's not coming out.
So and then you're.
And that's good enough.
And then you're gonna do about the same amount with green. So you're gonna make like a teal. Well, it's gonna be
Use some.
darker than that,
No, not yet.
like this, but lighter than I don't know, lighter than
Yellow.
that.
It's just gonna be
this
plain
will,
yellow.
This will that my ugly slime.
So I'm doing a simple slime. Oh my gosh, that is a lot of yellow. Simple. It's
so-
gonna be the simplest slime ever. So like the go-to recipe just for simple slimes.
Yeah. So what I'm doing, some slime.
No, he's doing fluffy.
Oh yeah. So and then we're gonna make this, mix it. So see it kind of looks like tie-dye a little bit. I'm gonna put some of this in. I'm gonna put some of this in. It might turn brown.
So guys, already this is like a tea. I'm doing.
I'm kind of actually worried it's gonna be brown. Oh, shoot. You dropped the cap.
If it's brown, you call it poop slime.
Look at
Who
that.
doesn't like poop slime? It's fine, Daniel. Poop slime.
Me.
I just said poop a bunch of times.
Okay, so now it.
Check it out.
See, yeah, it looks like tie-dye. It looks like tie-dye. So we're gonna just keep getting this kind of. We're gonna add some activator now. Can you hear me an activator, please? Thank you.
I'll put it in. I don't want your hands to touch it.
Your hands are as dirty as mine.
Oh, what?
Okay, so now that we kind of got all the colors incorporated, we're gonna kind of start getting. You want to
There we go.
spray the sides, like when you're making cookies.
I want a bigger yellow slime.
Spray
Bigger yellow slime.
the sides. I was about to say spray the slime.
Woo! That's a lot of glue.
Oh, guys, look at that. That looking pretty good. That's looking pretty good. So I'm gonna start getting me kind of into. Oh, look at that! I made it like I made like a pyramid. This is actually really cool slime.
You need some more.
What?
You might need some more.
Really like you.
Okay, what is that from? Random outburst there. I'm mixing my slime.
It's a song I just heard on the radio today. Well, it was kind of when I was on my Bluetooth, on my speaker. I was listening to it. It was like,
So guys, comment down below your favorite song. I don't know why we just got in this conversation, but
yes, comment down below. I want you to do that because in my next video in the background, I will play that, or I will listen to it and.
so check this out. Now I'm gonna just do a
Wait,
big slime.
are you gonna help me?
Okay, sure. I'll help you. If you want me to fix that one,
No, I just. I want you to
fix this.
No, now that my hands are clean, I'm actually gonna put
Why
some
is this?
glue in.
It's like coming together, but it's really sticky. So we add some more baking soda.
I just said that and you say no, add glue.
Oops.
Oopsie poopsie.
There we go. Touch it.
Touch.
Uh,
I think I'm gonna have to start playing with slime again.
I like this slime.
Yeah, that's like one of the best. Comment down below if you want to win.
Now we might be doing a giveaway. This one is like one of my favorite, but it's not that stretchy.
Well, how would we? No, this would
Why
not
do I
be.
keep standing up?
This would not be a good giveaway. And the camera probably can't see it. So like slime videos, like we just random talk with them because like you're just kind of doing